Hello everyone, this is Abhishek Kumar Saxena from Bareilly, Uttar Pradesh, India. The title of my project is Voice Assistant in Python, which automates tasks. Let's compile the code and begin. I will show you it in live action.
Hello Abhi. Good morning. What should I do next?
What is Python?
Searching Wikipedia. According to Wikipedia, Python is an interpreted, high-level, general-purpose programming language. Created by Guido van Rossum and first released in 1991, Python's design philosophy emphasizes code readability with its notable use of significant wit space.
Open Twitter.
Opening Twitter.
Here we go. Play music. Play music.
Playing music.
Play videos.
Playing video songs.
Show weather.
Opening weather app.
Search Google. Cats. So this is